Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to get a proof of account on the Capitec app. Before you begin, open the Play Store or App Store and ensure the Capitec app is updated. Open the app and sign in using your credentials. On the home screen, you'll see a list of your accounts. Choose the account you want to approve for, like Savings Account. On the account page, tap the three dots in the top right corner. And from the menu, select Send Account Details, usually the second option. Pick either SMS or email as your preferred method of receiving the proof, and enter the required valid credentials like your email address or phone number. After a few minutes, you'll receive a PDF document containing your account details. Save it or share the file as needed. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.